I love you, Benji.
Hello, Lonnie Gang. If you like the hair that I have in this video, be sure to look in the description box down below. This hair is from Ishow Hair. It was a 14-inch bob wig. In the description box down below, I will post the review that I did for this hair. And this is just me showing you guys that it can curl as well. So if you like this hair, be sure to look in the description box down below and check out Ishow Hair. Really big tree, y'all. Look. Here we go. This is how little I want the tree to be. I want the tree to be this little. Right here. The $40 tree. Look at this tree. Ooh. I know. We are gonna get a tree, but we don't even know if we're gonna get a real tree or a fake tree, so we're just kind of at a loss. We don't really know what to get. Cosmic. do y'all be getting ready and like just make a mess? Like, cause that's what I just did. I got ready, my room was clean earlier, and I made a mess. So yeah, I got my cousin a card for her birthday, a gift card, and then a candle, but it's over there and I don't feel like it. I'm about to leave and get ready to go to this dinner, but this is my hair. You guys see me curl my hair this morning, so this is how long it's lasted. It is amazing, and it turned out exactly, well, close to, now I wouldn't say exactly, but it turned out very similar to what I wanted it to be, so I'm super excited about that. And yeah guys, so they are amazing. Once again, all the information to this hair will be in the description box down below, so you guys can check out this hair, as well as the link to this hair will be down there, and the link to their site and the links to their social media. And yeah, this is my hair. So yeah, and I'm out guys. I'll be back when I get to the place. Everybody over 21, and then there's us.
Did y'all finna order me a drink?
Under 21.